Hey guys, welcome to Red 50. Thank you for tuning into another video. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. So in today's video, we're going to be washing my 2019 Mustang GT. It's something I've been meaning to do for pretty long time, to be honest with you. It's been very cold here, and where I live, HO is pretty strict about washing the car. So I normally take my car to the self car wash that you guys see like pretty much all over the town. And when it's really cold, below freezing, you really don't want to do it, because the thing is, they're normally strict with hand washing the car. So if you go during the daytime, they want you to use their brushes, their soap and everything. I don't really like to do that. So I like to hand wash my car to make sure it stays clean and free of scratches, or as much as I can protect it. So I like to go at nighttime or early morning. And with the winter month, it just gets very cold. And not to mention, the car doesn't get driven that much, so there's less to worry about there in terms of just having dirt over the car. But when you don't wash the car for like a few months, it accumulates dirt and it just looks nasty, like you'll see. With the summer, obviously, you're driving the car a lot more often. You're trying to take road trips and stuff, so the car is just going to naturally have more dirt. So I try to wash my car pretty often and during the summer months. And as you know, summer months are rolling in, so I just want to make sure I kind of start off on the right foot. I will be making a detailed video as to how I go step by step, but this is just to kind of follow my journey along, because it's going to take a couple car washes to get this thing right and squeaky clean. Let's go. Right, so to start off, we're going to get the cold start in. This time it's going to be in quiet start because it's early in the morning. I don't want to piss my neighbor off. All right, let's go. I really love this animation that it does on the startup. Pretty cool. We'll let the temperature drop a little bit, or we'll let the RPMs drop a little bit, not the temperature. Alright, we just pulled up here. Looks pretty empty as I expected. Like I said, it's early in the morning, so that's why I usually come in. We got a nice Datsun over there. But yeah, let's go wash the car. All right, she's all locked up in the bay. And ready, I mean, just look at that. Very dirty. And that, it rained last night, so it's not as bad, but I actually forgot my car mitt, which makes it a lot easier to wash it, but it's kind of really dirty. Didn't feel like cleaning it. So we'll be using these Kirkland towels to wash my car. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are curious. They're very soft. I really like them. Like I said, I used 2 bucket method. We're going to be cleaning these buckets. So this will be all soap, and then one will be just water. Here's what I'll be using to wash my car, the Garage Ultimate Car Wash Bags. Been using it for a long time, no issues. As you can see, I got tons of options. I just use the high pressure rinse. So let's deposit the coin, store it. Alright, you can see all the soap up, all the hard work is done. Now it's time to rinse it off. It's already looking a lot cleaner. There she is, all cleaned up. Now it's time to do something that I don't really like doing, which is drying up the car. It takes forever. Alright, there she is. Time to dry her up. try to get some McDonald's. Alright guys, well that's about it on washing my 2019 Mustang GT. Like I said, it had been very dirty. It hasn't been washed for, I want to say, a few months, like 2-3 months. So you saw it was very dirty. There was no way I was going to be able to get all the dirt out. So I'm going to be doing an in-depth video on how to really detail the car. I just wanted to kind of break it out for myself, because if I wanted to clean the entire car, it would take me hours to do it. And if I had my own driveway and no restriction with the HOA, I probably would have done it. But when you're in a public place like that, you can't really hog up those bays for too long. So I just wanted to get the dirt off, wash it off, and then eventually I'll go back and do a little bit more detailing on that. So stay tuned for that video. If you aren't subscribed, make sure you do subscribe. And that's pretty much it. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you like it and subscribe to Red 50, like I said. See you in the next video.